Welcome back, guys. So the crypto market has dropped significantly. The question is this a good time to buy, or is there another drop coming up soon? I know a lot of people online like to talk about support and resistance for Bitcoin or Ethereum or these major coins. However, I always like to start with the total market cap because that is a better indication of what is happening. So let's jump over to the weekly chart. Previously, we had put 850 billion mark as a good support level, and that is from where the market bounced, and the resistance was at around 1.15 trillion, where the purple moving average was available also. So yes, was rejecting over here. So yes, currently we have broken the 850 billion mark. We are sitting at 824. So the price is actually making a very small lower low from this point, but the RSI is making a higher low, giving us a small bullish divergence. However, for me, the key thing is what I am actually waiting for. Yes, this is a good time, buy some over here. However, I am waiting for a test of the 200 moving average, which is available at 715 billion. This will represent another drop of 12 to 13%. Not only this, guys, let me show you this. If I put up a horizontal line, zoom out, look at this. Look at this point over here. This was the previous all-time high in 2018, and it is coinciding exactly with the 200 moving average. So yes, quite the chance. If this week closes below 850, then yes, I would think that there will be a retest of this 200 moving average, and that is from where the market can find good support. Not only this, if market cap goes to 715, the RSI will go towards the 30 mark on the weekly, and that has been known to be a point of bounce. So yes, I have bought some here. The next point I will buy is over here, and I am waiting now for this chance to occur. Of course, a lot of you will be wondering that what does this mean in terms of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin today is 17,500, you can deduct 10 to 12% out of that, which will take you roughly in the area of 15,600 to 16,000. So yes, that can be another buying area. So that is a buying area I am planning to target. I have already purchased one part over here. The second, third part I will purchase when Bitcoin is around the 16,000 mark. In the event that yes, price decides to reverse from here, we will test the 1 trillion mark, where the purple 100 moving average is available also. Again, this would mean that a Bitcoin price of roughly 22,000 can happen. Now let's jump into the daily chart and also see what is happening. So yes, last 2 days we are seeing a very sharp decline. Look at the RSI also falling very fast, currently sitting at 32.3, and if I zoom out, look at this point over here, around 25 RSI on the dailies, where the price likes to go. So yeah, guys, you can see this is again supporting our theory that 715 billion mark can get tested, which will make the RSI go to around the 25 mark. So I've already made a purchase at around 17,300, 400. The next purchase I am targeting is around the 16,000 mark. Not only this, guys, as you may be aware that this week is very important. US election is already happening. Inflation data will be announced tomorrow. So yes, we have to keep an eye on all of these things, and if there is a wick towards this side, we need to be there to take advantage of these moments. So to sum it all up, I think 17,300 was a good first entry point, and the next good point can be around the 16,000, 15,700 mark. And in terms of first resistance, we would be having 21,000 and then 22,000 roughly. So guys, let me know in the comments, do you think more pain is coming for the crypto market, or this is the bottom now and then we will start seeing some good pump in the market? Also, if you like this analysis, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.